Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Now, in today's video, I'll be introducing you guys to a new product, and that is by the brand Little Extra. It is their Neat Fix hair finishing stick. Now the primary purpose of this particular product is to tame your baby hairs and frizzes down. Okay, so you get 12 ml of Neat Fix for rupees 449 on Amazon. Okay, it comes with a nice wand and the product looks very clear. Okay, this means that there will be no whitish cast on your hair or whatsoever. Okay, it is very easy to use. It's also very easy to carry. Now when you are doing your hairstyle, you may feel that few of your baby hairs and frizzes are like up right there. Okay, so you'll be struggling a lot to tame those down. And with this product you can do it very easily. Once you have done your hairstyle, wherever your baby hair is peeking out or wherever your frizz is still visible, just open it and just run through the areas where you want your baby hairs to lie down and sleep, or your frizzes to kind of calm down. And once you do that, your hair will be sleek and nice. Okay, and when you go outside, maybe due to the travel, the air and all that, your hairstyle may kind of mess up, and even for that you can easily carry this Neat Fix in your handbag, and then whenever you feel like retouching your hair or taming your hair down, you can use this. So I personally feel every girl should have a Neat Fix in their handbag and in their vanity, so make sure to check this product out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all found this video informative and interesting. I will meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.